Shark Tank India is a popular show in India. Watch this video clip. I think you will understand what I am going to make in this video.
ये पकड़िए please. Give your hand.
Oh. Wow.
क्या
It's crazy.
Right?
It's crazy.
मतलब समझ नहीं आ
आप
रहा
जरा मेरा nose touch कर सकते हो please?
Oh wow.
My
What
head,
is
my
this?
my forehead, my hair.
By the way, the full video is available in the description. If you have more query about that, then check the full episode. I think the stable multivibrator circuit is the best one for this project, but we need to detect the touch between two pins. We know that the human body is not a insulator, it acts like a conductor, but the resistance is very high. But the resistance is not a problem. It is a biggest advantage for this project. The change of resistance can make a different sound, so we just need to use it. Now it's time to build the device. First of all, there are two circuit diagrams, one for fixed frequency, another for multiple frequency. I follow the first diagram to make a fixed frequency oscillator. You need some basic component to build this project. Timer 555 IC, some resistor, ceramic capacitor, speaker for output, battery for power, switch and LED for indication, one Vero board, one small case, and two small glass holding metal pieces. I soldered all components on a Vero board. After soldering, it's time to test the circuit. Now we need to put the circuit inside a case. I use hot glue to fix the metal piece with the box. You can use any other super glue. I also add a on-off switch and a red LED for indicating the device status. And the speaker I found from an old mobile phone. The device does not look like the original one, but our device is very cheap compared to the original one. Now it's time to test the device. These two little champs are helping me to test this device. Thank you so much Swardo and Onkit. So that's all for today. If you like this video, then press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.